How to switch personal account to creator account on TikTok. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our TikTok application here in our mobile device. Once you've opened your TikTok application, go to your profile and here click on the hamburger button in the upper right hand corner. Once you've clicked on the hamburger button, click on settings and privacy. Now go to your account, and once you're in your account, click on switch to business account. So in here you just need to simply click on next, after which choose a category that you would like to use. So say for instance personal blog. Now you can skip this portion right here, and you can also do this one later. And there you have it, you're all set. Now the next thing is that when you reach about 10,000 followers and 100,000 views on your videos, then that's the time that you could switch to your creator account. This is just a pathway or a way for you to be able to make videos and to reach to more people. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you find this video helpful.